Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. It's that time of the week where I announce excuse me, the weekly winners to all of these goodies in here. So let's pull out what we actually have to give away, and then I'll tell you who has won these goodies. I think we've got quite a few winners this week, so let's pull all of these things out, and I'll tell you, I should say, who has won what. Right, okay, so let's start with, the wooden embellishments. So the bottle caps and all of the wooden embellishments has been won by Tracy Dale. So well done, my lovely. I do have your address, so I don't need you to send me it. I will pop these in the post to you. Then we have these sticker sheets, which I'm going to split these between two of you. And the winners of the sticker sheets are Rosalie Davila and Judith McPherson. So Judith, I have your address, and Rosalie, I don't. So anyone who I don't have your address, please email me at the email in the description below. So this will be split between both of you lovely ladies. And then we have the resin roses. They have been won by Glimmer Babes, who I don't have your address, so could you send me it? Well done. The push pins have been won by Jackie McFall, so well done, Jackie. I do have your address, so you have those coming to you. The washi tapes have been won by Tracy Kelly, so if you could send me your address, my lovely, because I don't have your address. Let's just move these out of the way for a moment. Right, okay, we have the rubber stamps have been won by Colleen Riley. So I think I have your address. I'm sure I have. Yes, of course I have your address. So they are going to you, my lovely. Now, the stencils have been won by Christine Mortimer. So I will post these out to you, darling. They are coming to you. Now, we have 5 lots of ribbon, and 2 of you wanted the wide. So Laura Seddon, you have one of the wide ribbons. And Vala Quill, you also have one of the wide ones. And the other ribbons are going to Jacqueline's Attic Crafts and Seri Ingalls. So Jacqueline, I believe I have your address. Seri, I have yours. The other, oh, actually, let's have a look. I've got another one here. And also Jessie Capable Vids Crafter has won one of these ones as well. So if you could send me your address. Now, it's all right, I put 3 out, but actually this is for next week's giveaway. I didn't have that for this week's. This one is for next week's. I have 2 this week, and the 2 winners of these, the Sweetheart Rose Maker has been won by Sue Harvey, and the Bow Maker has been won by Julianne Eden. So that is all of the prizes. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 15 winners this week. OMG. So for those of you who I don't have your address, please can you email it to me at the address in the description. Well done, everyone. Thanks for taking part. I have just put a very quick giveaway up. So if you're not watching my videos, tut, there is a giveaway in one of my videos that I have just put up. So keep watching. Please like and subscribe, and I see you all very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.